there, I feel like I'm at Woodstock, I gotta tell you. But what I gotta tell you is we have a great happy together. Tour 2026 is rocking. We have 8 bands this time, 11 new songs that nobody out there has heard yet. I just have a question, you ready to get going? Alright, it was 1967, it was the summer of love, and this goes out to our flower girl Pookie for my Tigger button, and to all the flower girls out there, so let's go! I saw her sitting in the rain.